Yeah, when you come baby, Emra became so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV. They was on your live and so honum. Yes, streaming on all our social media platforms from Facebook to YouTube. Okwa, like it, share, comment it. Now being supposed to be at me action. Belated happy birthday and confirm me and Kasabin Kuma Koku Oware Neba. Nana Koku Oware. Nana Oware. Hey, you were 6 years yesterday. Yeah. And one out these 6 years. Oh, I'm wish you all the best. I'm not so pecali punams you, Mate. Me to be ama. Why? Me to be ama. It's belated happy birthday to Nana Oware. No, now 6 years. Also happy birthday, Enko and Fama Gamel Mensa, aka the Monkey Man, Vice Principal, Academics and Skills Delivery, Applied Technology Institute, Shiashi, East Legon, TVET headquarters, Ena Owo. You wish you all the best. Yami Enchira was way free. From all the Mensa, Jakuma, Oko, Malet Waba families, engineers here wish you happy birthday. Have you fought Nasi? Richard Mensa in the Central Regional. Richard Mensa. Richard Mensa. Richard sometimes no kasa nama. We have Smith. Mensa, the Central Regional Secretary of NPP. Then the Almighty Agbesi, the true Senior Communications Officer of NDC. You know what there?
I'm an Adom. What you want to say?
Boko. Regent to say.
We be a Boko.
Ye.
Already be a Boko. You could do a registration.
More thank you to on date here, baby.
He has the 4th of June.
4th June.
In the last region.
Oh, okay.
In the Yamiaton Safre and regional chairman.
Yeah.
Chairman Robert Coutin Jr.
Yeah.
The Yamiadma 30th of May, which is Friday.
Yeah.
Never say in us the 31st. In Ankasa.
Okay.
The 1st June. Nebuwi. Yamiadma Wednesday 4th June. And was a thank you to Baba Central Region.
Okay. Senior communicator.
Yeah.
Kusi MPA. Upi be let me say as MPS. Na bako there.
Oh, now you move.
Abamu to say.
Oh, we be a cost boko.
As much 100 days.
Say you might promising within those period of time. Say for failing.
Okay.
Yeah, so we be a cost boko.
I will share the start now. Efa. We with me for failing.
Now say for failing.
Okay.
Within that period of time, your mind say 120 days. You might be a cost.
Okay. Yeah,
you might be a cost. Now Richard does it. What call thank you to. Richard, maybe so Central is able to sit in MVB.
You could have 4
out of
23.
Money yo. More to buy a papa. 4 no so. Rebecca 1. Money yo. Up to galaxies. I feel yeah. Say about. Miriam, I say, I would like to actually appreciate the course. So, was it a Coco?
Ngoko. Kwun. Okay.
President.
The Kwun Business Forum.
No, the course. No, I think it was a very nice initiative. What I say, we have to actually groom businessmen. We call financial institutions be more the kind of demand we need to enable them to assist. Yeah. Look, I am into farming. Now, you maybe don't come more now to compare Busia. No more catch us a compare of the cabra. Sometimes it's very annoying.
Okay.
Off taker.
Just an system,
But should it be so? There must be a different initiative. What you are seeing?
And no more people say now penetrate up my womb.
Now, Busia,
what the way
it's not about Busia, what's you compare off taker. Whatever you are cultivating, there must be a ready market. But you need to say ready market. You even a cultivator reach it, I ready market. But they'll tell you to go and look for an off taker. Now, off-take also question about no, he determines his price.
Yeah.
Who can I buy?
Send a bit to me, I'm going to someone else. No,
but you see,
amount to bit in the amount.
David. Experience fine. It shouldn't be about the amount. Ebia, me mako cultivate ebia banking. What I say?
Yeah.
Before I make turn, the bank must be involved. The bank must have the say in it. To the say ebia, the buyer must pay into a particular account, escrow account.
Okay.
Then we going to look for an off-taker. It's not actually encouraging to go to them for financial assistance. What I say, and you know, if they are able to assist businessmen and women to my level, farmers more, I think it will be very good. People are ready to go into farming. People are ready to cultivate.
So can we look at the whole system in holistic sense? There's a challenge with our financial sector.
There is.
Especially when it comes to granting of loans.
There is a big
when
one.
It comes to interest rate. Now, businesses are unable to survive because of some of these things. And the bank say, Ghana bet me $1 billion. Ghana is a
You see, I don't look at the volume.
The volume, okay.
But I'm looking at the
availability, the process.
The availability is there, but the process. But see, if you see a business plan as an investor or a banking investor, business plan, so where they will say per year. In fact, so in the debate, what are the risks? In every business, there must be a risk. Yeah. Let's look at the ratio of the risk. Who did they make an say? ABR 4%, 3%. It's manageable. But Uko Kache, sir, the panel say, uncle, share, uncle pay a friend saying, off taker. No, but you have to assess the viability of the project to see if the off takers, which is the general consumer, is ready to take it or not. What did I say? If you are able to look, I was doing some a friend saying assessment the other day. When you take one Land Cruiser, not less than $175,000-$200,000.
Yeah.
Break that into cities. Okay, let somebody cultivate, let's say, 10 acres of pepper, chill pepper. Okay? Break that, divide it into, let's say, that amount to, let's say, 50 people.
Okay.
And let them cultivate at a go. Garden egg, pepper, tomatoes. And have a period of, let's say, 90 days, 100 days maximum. That money can easily be retrieved. If a fraction ratio of what? Risk. But almost sure, the one person say, Eja, compare off taker. Even business entities, they will tell you bring collateral.
Yeah.
Collateral will the back and still and so. You understand me? So it's making the system a little bit on.
Business friendly.
At all. The President Mama say, President Akufo-Addo. You see, this is the resetting agenda. In the past, do you think President Akufo-Addo will have that tenacity? So, President Mama. Maybe I can come on. But me say, dear President Mama, the tension in the system is too high. What I say, it's too high. But what they are back from. But you see, I saw some gangsters.
Oh, wow.
You understand me? Think you say, President Mama, I have a strap, President Akufo-Addo, no, the aura is going to work. This is the time.
Obi president, what do you mean describe now as a gangster?
Me say, man can't be the president. You see, I see gangsters hovering around.
That's what
President Akufo-Addo. What did you say? President Mama visit no crime is crime.
The meaning is say the word and the description. The word and the description.
Anyhow,
me
say visit ne papem. But my own gangsters be a number thinking say.
Me say me
nyini say. But
me nyini say president mama say okko. Me nka say me nyini say president mama call. President Kufuor so ne kwa kodi nkomo say. Say the crop obi ye boni a.
Who dey asem to man no. Who dey asem to man. Asem me can say.
The gangsters mister.
Na you see you be a gangster dey say.
Mr. Bedasi.
Who dey ye be come.
Agwesi me fa kwa na minchi a ahwefo an pe wo hwe Adom TV wo Ghana ne mfenze anane nyinara oya agwesi ne twu ya chance no okay be for Central Region MPP hesita ye wo na mkana ye wo 4 na ase on Thursday okay thank you too but 4 na yenya no as a party in the region we are not happy with it anyhow but I dey benya mo oboredam. Look at what Nanado's government had done in the region. But they are quite me. Okay. So I'm going to come this there. Them 4 seats here, MPP was Central Region. On Yaza, unprecedented.
Okay.
Ibiesida. The most simple in this will face it was worse than this. In 2016, MPP had 19 seats. And this was 4. 2016. You can say, and this was 18 seats. There were 4 independent, Buma Central. So it means that even what they suffered in 2016 was worse than ours. But the NDC, they went to the drawing board, did their homework, won 13 seats in 2020. And in 2024, they had 18 seats. Which means that what happened, we moved Mabem, or quick in the same way, then the MPP, the regional party, we see oye to muja yenda do ye juma there come 2028 we are going to turn this around so that things will favor us to win more seats in Central Region. Ne wato abano so you know over 400,000 votes in the region. It's 2016 2020 about 600,000. Most of them around the same figure munya 2020 different people be am. All that happened was that Yankofu the same it could be a baby 1 to aba. And see,
now by in every election go for 2 and go for 2.
And see, next day by hand she ye. Near Kofakasa, you are woodsy, since 1 to aba. You address those issues so that in 2028, I'm going to have minutes and coma or 2 with 2 punkum no about 2 aba. Na I was in the true. Awa rekasa na mwesuo oye kwa during the Easter year, current president, President Mahama, akasra Nanado also over the years, Easter beyond Odin ko. So why baby are others ko. Maybe some of them. And the President Mahama so mra oye opposition. Was he going to call every Easter? Na obia kind attention was system no mun or high. The me may oba on bomb attention conform. Me ye boom as a man. Or Academ now, once I'm done. There, I saw some gangsters there.
Namu,
ne Obia, a Korean. Then you mum and Yaku. Maybe it's about Tichi, Assam, a Kanara. No, you are referred to Ora. Ora Nara, Rake, Martin, Pebu, and Okam. Also, what G all information. They did not investigate. Ora, Dominico, or your auditor. Also, they did not do any investigation. They just collected information. Yet, when you were presenting your report to President, what's it? What value is about $21.9 billion.
No, Richard.
Meanwhile,
Richard.
You did not do any auditing.
No, Richard.
You did not do any investigation to arrive at that figure. Sir, papa, I'm going to say you. Yes, so $21.9 billion in a mobile Jesus. Say, in your hobby. We are waiting for you. We are waiting for you. Now, Munkaji move $21.9 billion also on our time when you investigation, when you audit, even just Ora, Eba, the way Jinatu, much will be a gas of 1 month. When I wait, every investigation, even your nature, every evidence, and whatever court now come, must go see Mensa, I do attend when I wait. You sit here and you prejudge people without any basis. That's how you are ruling this country.
But I say,
Kwesi,
Kwesi,
a very quick one. Kwesi, oral for no information. Yes, sir. And they had a period of time before presenting it to the president. Report. Yes, sir. So before that time, in between, so my digestive. The content of the information.
No, but according to Martin, according to Melovo, once they did not do any investigation, they just gathered information. That's what they did.
Fantastic information. Yeah, probably for the information, Mama. So there was a time before presenting the report.
Yeah.
So it tells you that they were actually doing something. They digested.
There was no investigation.
Were you with them? I
am mentioning Martin Kwebu's name.
No, that was when they collected the information.
Even after that, he has granted interviews around that and made that assertion. I have listened to Martin Kwebu's
I will see you come. In terms of so far, mentioned until someone can say the investigated report.
They are not investigating body.
Okay.
Yes.
I said they digested the information.
Okay.
I did not say they investigated.
Someone digested.
That is why they came out with the value.
The $21 billion.
Exactly.
But what
on assumption basis,
is there anything wrong? Without any basis, well, I was seeing you on such a serious platform. You come and use this word on assumption basis. You assume. You sit here and allow you to say this.
Of course.
On assumption basis.
Yes.
In 2016, okay. The MPP won less than 1 million votes officially. But the likes of Nkoka gangsters is here, no more MPP gangsters. They went all over the place. They won 1.5 million, 1.2 million. But officially, no, it was less than 1 million votes. In 2020, sorry. In 2024, John Dramani Mahama and the NDC won 1.7 million plus officially. Officially, 1.7 million plus. You understand me? You understand me? If you can say, after the mumu sit down, mania, a phone and see that. This I say the same for.
But the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable Emmanuel Amakofibua, a press conference. Now, also what directed a year Minerals Commission say Akonta mining. Ora Bernard and Chibu Siakon. Ekechima won't to me Ediano. Revoke or license. The no number. They will say Chema won't to me like Akonta mining as a company. I issue statement in response to near Minister no. So quick one to Akonta mining for response to Minister no press conference or Also press release reinforce accusations and political targeting of Akonta mining by Honorable Emmanuel Amakofibua. The management of Akonta Mining Company Limited has noted with grave concern the reckless and baseless accusations made against our company by the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable Emmanuel Amakofibua, during a recent press conference. The Honorable Minister's decision to publicly link Akonta mining to illegal mining activities in a Tamno Nimrim Forest Reserve and to call for the revocation of our mining license is not only unjust and premature, but also a clear case of seeking to hang the dog and give it a bad name. Let it be stated on record and without ambiguity. 1. Akonta Mining is a lawful registered large-scale mining company operating under valid leases and permits granted by the Minerals Commission. Our concessions are located in Samaboy and Abokwase and not in the Tamno Nimrim Forest Reserve. In 2022, the Minerals Commission clearly stated in an official press release that Akonta Mining Limited has no mining lease, mining right, mineral right, and or permit to undertake any mining operations in the Tamno Nimrim Forest Reserve. Our application for access to the Forest Reserve was never granted. Official letters for both the Minerals Commission and the Forestry Commission dated 7th and 8th September 2022 confirmed that no entry permit was issued to Akonta Mining for that forest area. Contrary to the narrative being pushed, we are not mining and have never mined in the Tamno Nimrim Forest Reserve. In fact, our commitment to environmental responsibility is well documented. In a letter dated 29th April 2021, addressed to the chairman of the Western Regional Security Council, Akonta Mining formally expressed our gratitude for the removal of illegal miners from our concession and outlined our intent to embark on a 6-month backfiling and reclamation exercise to close the dangerous pit left behind by illegal miners, even before commencing full-scale operations. Although this is estimated to cost the company hugely, we consider it as imperative to ensure a responsible mining project that will protect both the community and the environment, the letter stated. As part of that commitment, over 18,000 coconut trees have already been planted, with 32,000 more expected to be planted as part of the comprehensive reclamation effort. Allegations that we took 350,000 Ghana cedis from illegal miners to allow access to our concession are entirely false, defamatory, and mischievous. We challenge anyone with making this claim to provide evidence. The suggestion that one Mr. AC is a liaison between Akonta Mining and illegal mining syndicate is also completely false. We vehemently deny any knowledge or association with this individual. He does not represent, work for, or act on behalf of Akonta Mining in any capacity. We are not responsible for the activities in the Tandon Rainforest Reserve. That responsibility lies solely with the Forestry Commission and the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. It is deeply concerned that state institutions are shifting blame onto a private company that has never been granted access to the said forest area. The decision by the Minister to publicly accuse us and call for the revocation of our license without any investigation or hearing is not just unfair. It is a clear breach of natural justice and a politically motivated act. Signed, Management, Akonta Mining Company Limited. This Bamisha is very so. Chama want to me. Akonta Mining and the Lands and Natural Resources.
Akonta Mining on a reaction to Minister for Lands and Natural Resources press conference.
Yeah.
Mogosumo Hana.
Yeah.
Mogosumo Hana.
Osine ya. Nena reho.
He was shedding crocodile tears.
Or your compassion.
Why? I was see. You won't go far. A mining pit where caving where coon or money where obey a minister. Did you ever see the minister crying? You ever see the minister crying? Now the constituency chairman, Adom's mining company, actually come a Western region, a police commander, or engage in illegal mining. Did you see the minister crying? Now the region, the part of the region, Western North, where I win constituency. Now the colleague NDC MP in Parliament, Ofori Labi, has been accused by Erastus Asardonko, has been accused by the chiefs of the area that he's engaged in illegal mining. Did you ever see or hear that Honorable Amakofibua Olusu? You see, uncle find Dam a constituency chairman of NDC MP, and wish him a back. Have you ever heard him or in a press conference? No one sung out Bibi Dama on ye. Those just way to say, oh, we are fighting illegal mining. Now, because the man to me is associated with Akonta Mining. Then let's create the impression there. Those who are doing it, MP. Fine. Whoever is engaged in illegal mining, onion, emra, or ininzi, we are for that. The emra or ininzi. But in this case, Akonta Mining, we issue statement more can you know, one a year, what's wrong application 1 year, now to overcome to gold and I be them turn on the rainforest. It was denied in 2022. And see, there's nowhere one could be the walk turn on the rainforest go to gold room. As the liaison officer between Akonta Mining and illegal miners on Yanokwa. They denied all these things. So the minister has to move a step further and prove the Moroccan or Yanokwa. Now, it's them fight against illegal mining here. I don't know why you want him. Why do you want him?
Why do you want him?
Why are you buying him?
Oh, how?
Now, Kwesio, in close to 2024 election, Honorable Amakofibua, I have his video. I'll urge you to me there. Now, Adom Kwekufuado, only clear state of emergency. In there, also, Mohoyen, on address that issue. NDC Deputy General Secretary, Mustafa Bandi, announced a Deputy Director for Operations at the Presidency. Close to 2024 election, or when declare state of emergency in the USA. No more declare state of emergency. My investors one banner. It means that the money. So I know that will be 2024. But we can tell you on them 2 months painting. Also 1 year, some George and no minister. I say, Sanana Adom Kakufado, up a day. Galam said, Oswana within a week. Botumwaye, Bosmani. Amen. You were ministers. Deputy Minister for Interior. Overcatching there. And yet, prisons or deplorable. Ain't foreigners was what to more on ye. Now, Ghana was about 2. Ebrabani. Then now, if you are prioritizing a foreigners over Ghanaians, then Galam say now marking opposition. Though I don't say there hasn't been a time. The tunnel, river, Cobra, illegal miners over blocked my river non flow. Under the end is just 3 months in office. And Cobra has been blocked. Erasmus as a don't knock, and it doesn't flow. Because at what time do you hear this? Every time, in a river and Cobra, illegal miners were blocking my own flow. Now what's a solution? What's a river gas? And you saw the pictures, yellow fear and say, what pass out. Look at the kind of people I want to walk fight illegal mining. Ain't it as not genism?
So I'm going pempe.
I'm
going pempe on so.
Now, so a soldier for a person for boy work train in there, and then this. I want now to trust some of Cote d'Ivoire, to trust some of a Burkina Faso militant, and then one and they will protect illegal mining sites. And the damn of free and this a full soldier see. I want to walk when you go to Galam say Nibin. And what about no and this full soldier see.
River gas in your
river gas and this full soldier. Well, look at the people. Look at the picture. Baby, the mirror, baby. A good over to mine. And even one to be.
Trenches and be a back. Or better, who? Boys, one
go to be. These are people who from one time by them, and when you be at least Yama, if you be more yen, no, I answer Yabiamo.
Oh, protect you so.
I can see a soldier for. I will train one. I look at you being so useful. Unpo Galam stop, Onumpo, why, what's it? Poncompo Roy, free. A soldier phone, I press for 1 pump and 1.2, and I need full soldiers. Ain't it as an agenism? Mamma Pay came in opposition. And spoken in opposition. At least by now, they shall declare that state of emergency that they were called for in 2024.
Do you think it's a right call?
Yes, they were for it.
David, do you think it's a right call?
Yes, because that was what they called for. They should be consistent.
There may be such.
We should have consistent.
Personally.
Yes, because
do you think, say? Of course, regional will be mining.
Yes.
Do you think say a right say Mpensenpensenmu be declared state of emergency?
Yes, I right because on Mpensenpensenmu they called for it. That was what they said was going to solve the problem. Yes, because I'm not the one leading. Am I the president? He saw, and this Minister Yowodi Yankasa, he is the chief advisor to the president on issues of illegal mining.
Yeah.
And in 2024, he said that we should declare state of emergency as a way of dealing with illegal mining. And you are now the minister. You stood for it. Deputy General Secretary and now Deputy Director of Operations and the President stood for it. They stood for it, and they should go by their words. Some judge or MP or a minister, also within 1 week.
1 month.
1 month. How many months over maybe? How many months in it? So it means that they have failed. So they should go by their own promises. They should go by their own marking scheme. That is what we said, that it was possible, it could be done. Now you've been given a mandate. Do it. In that community, my maybe I want your ransom, Cape Coast, no quadrat. I be waiting now. Coaching soon, I would see. By 1 month, and soon, my.
More need to say.
Oh, yeah, on to them. But now, I west, and I'm more example there. When we better let's say that and Cobra. It's no flow, no. Or illegal miners were blocking. Baby, so by.
Okay.
One block. My boys be brave. And I can see, yeah, we are at risk.
Okay.
If one can hamper. Na ekeno illegal manufacturing or dun coffin or wasa enyim esbia was ba be mo kodua em was reba na nyina heavy metals o nsuano we hedo nsu ya nem Ghana Water Company o treater ke awo bon enyaze ba ibompo a obe treat ni na bodu fie so nnu so ani no nsuano ni na health And when ya don't want ya can done. Me baba you go create soup. Into yin na ya asaze. But in pa ya so man ashan inside here John Roman Mahama. Na near this of. And in opposition they gave us solutions. Okay. Now I was within 1 month or implementable. 3 months in mama yehunu musaro. No more president Mahama Nana smoke can work a pisky. Awesome. I don't want to Mpensenpensenmu. Then the kingpins, we are identifying them in NDC. NDC Council Chairman, NDC MP, NDC, Dunkofe Chairman, okay, machines. Also, on same one fanko. The videos are there. The kingpins are being identified in his party, in his government, and issue, and show the arrest. Now, foreigners also want to want treat one the same way that they are treating Ghanaians because in opposition is what they said.
Okay. Abuzi?
Crazy. I think the good news and is the license of Akonta mining have been revoked. TTR, simple and short. To me, a very notorious miner.
Oh yes, so because we're notorious,
not very notorious.
Officer,
a patch is so notorious.
He
involved in illegalities.
Watching.
Look at the response he gave. You know, he was once upon a time arrested some time ago, and I was involved in that operation. I think 2015 thereabout. That's what I'm saying. That he's a notorious miner.
Send why day.
What you say? He's a notorious miner.
Much in San why day.
Mining illegally.
In 2015.
Look, what happened yesterday during the press conference? His license have been instructed to be revoked.
In 2015,
because
what you want to
me come as him so. Based on the response of Wukan,
yeah.
You see, on we are operating such a way, say, he have a license to mine. I agree. Wonderful. Good one there.
Much in 2015.
Maybe he have license to mine. Wonderful. But the point is that, yes, he has, but he normally does it illegally. Where the concession does not belong to him.
Yes, so didn't call for
that is the same thing happened here.
Or did you come for concession?
That is the same thing. Forest reserve. Okay?
Okay.
He have the permit or the license to mine, but not in the forest reserve. So, but I mean, was it in the Professor Fomboat's report, one of them? I see Akonta mine was mining the forest reserve unauthorized. Was it 90s or power? 90s or power? Maybe. Because China from bar, no small team. He was not permitted to mining or forest reserve, but he does such mining in the forest reserve. Who doesn't know this in Ghana? No, who doesn't know this?
But the response was one year.
But I'm saying, sir, it is not about just revoking the license. The top management must be invited by the top brass of the security services. If immediate effect. They must be arrested immediately. The top brass of the company. Revoking the license is not enough. Okay? They have caused a lot of harm. Emma Ghana for. Who reach out here who can say about Ghana say? Ghana say that when they buy. Menu, Ghana say. You are the last person to talk about Ghana.
When is Ghana say start in Ghana?
A whole president actually sacrificed his life on Ghana say. I was saying. He put his presidency on the line. And Munja, he rather empowered Untumi to go and do that illegalities. Yes. What did Akufo said about Untumi when this issue pop up about him mining illegal in the forest reserve? Sorry. You know, can't found. Who by the castle Ghana says you? He said, "I block you and Cobra." Jesus Christ. Are you being fair to listeners?
Oh, but that's true.
It was under Akufo's regime.
Under your regime. Elra source as I don't want.
No, but you see, it's like on here. Have there been any major havoc to water bodies within this period of time? How old is the government? When you have a period of 8 years to destroy water bodies, less than 100 days. Because we are sure it's possible. Something that has been destroyed in the past 8 years. In Sue Adani condensed milk. Now Revocation said less than 100 days. He blocking you. Is it possible? It is part of Mumu transaction. The Maboni and Muyen within that period of time. If you care to know. What you say, in terms of I force it to borrow, and then I become one. Because Muji no Maboni is too much. And I'm calling on the security services. Akonta mining for the management, the top management. They should be arrested immediately. It's not enough of just revoking the license. Because you went to mine illegally in the forest reserve. No, but so it is his word against that of the minister, isn't it? But when time comes, we will know who is who.
Okay.
That's why I said it should be invited.
It's for now, the minister can hear allegation.
Based on the fact, it can't be an allegation. He had a fact.
It's an allegation.
The minister is saying that an undercover investigation.
Yeah.
And I mean, you understand the word undercover?
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
But which means they have some facts. I want to know only be. From one time, young Kase want to me Akonta mining and minor illegal forest concession. Young Kasa. Kwesi, young Kasa. Even during the time of MPP, that was where the whole kabudo, the whole business started.
Which business?
Of to be mining illegal in the forest reserve.
Obi Awasika catch in 2015.
I am saying, say, no. I'm saying, say, mining is two things. Forest reserve and ordinary mining. It's two things here. Which that's why I say he's not getting the story right. The minister said that an undercover investigation which was carried out.
Okay, she said, better, who was here? Oji minister need to change to me.
Of course.
And Akonta mining.
Of course.
Okay.
Minister.
It would the minister na small cano. And yet allegation, a assembly no critical.
Yes, because it was an undercover investigation done by a couple of people.
It would just a bit to me, we also the Akonta mining akoko.
Let me say Akonta mining, no many started to Akonta mining a year, Ben. It was not an appropriate report, what is report? Was it not within the report? It is mining illegally of forest reserve. Akonta mining had the license to mine. But the point here we are saying is that he is mining illegally in the forest reserve that he has no authorization.
Also on call.
So prove
and that's report party report. So no. It is up and down. It is there.
No, so I kasa.
That is where Mineral Commission buy say Omuma to me bia.
Yeah.
So no, but the point is that if the person is not mining, why should Mineral Commission then come out to tell you and I say they did not authorize him? No, they did not authorize him. Why is that statement? Because he was found in the forest. No, he was found in the forest.
According to Akonta mining, was say they don't have any permit to enter the Nimrim Forest Reserve. They've not mined there. But the opposite come here and say, untrust Akonta mining.
Which forest reserve and the Frepon party did he enter into?
No, can you answer Frepon party? That's what
the
minister said. Talk about what your minister has said.
No.
We are subjecting what the minister has said. And now you are going to take.
Now,
Professor Frepon Boating was saying Akonta mining did mining illegally in forest reserve.
Who evidence?
Why did Mineral Commission come out? True or false? To tell the whole world say they have not authorized him to mine. Because that's because the man was involved. Because the man was involved in that mining illegally in the forest. Yeah, Mineral Commission said they be here. They are man permit be. Hello.
The same thing.
Baby, acquire a salute to baby.
Oh, what day?
You to me
that's
Uncle Supreme Court, man call lower court crumple. What are you talking about? Listen very well.
Okay.
He was caught mining under Frimpong Boating illegally in the forest reserve. The Mineral Commission, the institution that is authorized to permit people to mine, if to me Akonta mining, etnefie, etna to TV so, a bon common, I want mining illegally or forest reserve. A major mineral commission, Pierre Becache the whole world say, or when the woman to me. Because there was a transaction.
Okay.
So they are denying such a transaction. What did they say? So therefore, the minister Eka and say, upon undercover investigation,
okay.
Yeah, who said to me, Akonta mining are involved in illegal mining in our forest reserve.
Okay.
Do you get the story now? It is no. I'm tracing the story from Professor Fripon Boatin duration.
So what
to today? Yesterday, when the minister
what about some Akonta mining for also can say?
Akonta mining for the said defense and defense. Me say and defense.
Almost they have not been treated fairly.
In which way?
Justice has not been.
In which way? Justice
for revoking their license.
Okay, I say yes, you wait. Oh, just say they have not been treated fairly. Jesus Christ! How did this guy stay Ghana for? To me, because he have not been treated fairly. Bernard Entry. I say here and his company have not been treated fairly. I think the security is too cool on this guy. That's the only thing I can say. But time is coming. Whether he has been treated fairly or not, he will tell Ghanaians. Okay? Whether he has been treated fairly or not. Maybe see, Mineral Commission statement is there. Go, you get it. You read the statement to the general public. Yes. That they have nothing to do with Akonta mining because Akonta mining was caught mining illegally in the forest reserve.
Which forest?
Which forest did the Mineral Commission mention?
The forest where?
The forest and Mineral Commission. Mimi Refi. Forest and Mineral Commission mention here. Are you denying the report, the statement of Mineral Commission? Is that what you are saying? So what is it?
I said which from because the forest near also.
So they were so explicit in that statement. They mentioned the forest. I have forgotten.
Okay.
What is about this?
I refuse.
No, what is about it?
I refuse.
The minister is saying that undercover investigation.
Okay.
Fantastic.
It's a duel on minister and the near Professor Frimpong Boatin because minister is explicit. Asari. Donko. Yeah, Erastus. Yeah.
Started this story then.
Yeah.
And he's still following the story now.
Yeah.
That is why I'm linking the two together.
Okay.
I cannot do one in isolation. Never. I am narrating the genesis of the story. Baby, I feel bad here. Nipa no Becache the whole world say Akonta mining is mining illegally in our forest reserve. So the Mineral Commission came out to deny that they have not authorized him to do that mining illegally.
To be mine in the forest?
In the forest. Because he was in the forest. So the Mineral Commission had to actually...
One person he was in the forest.
That was what we heard. I just mentioned your colleague journalist. You're going there around. Your colleague journalist.
He's going around.
Okay.
Into me say, sir, Akonta mining top management.
Okay.
By now, by the close of day or week,
okay,
they should be invited.
For questioning.
Okay.
But do you think that na in terms of revoking the alliances without hearing from
them? Yeah, too much.
Those are gin licenses.
Say agent license. Unknown to me, I tina broche na say, everybody catch a weather where fine, environment they clean. Or said in the area, no, so called UK. Every catches a where fine, a where clean. One catches, sir.
It's clear that the government has been overtaken by events with respect to the fight against illegal mining. I do want them.
Na etuma ye no say me kasa oso aduma ye se won matwe bi aduma ye within this short period of time fighting illegal mining like which one of them
Agwasi
woman organizer national organizer CCS conversation what I talking about
Asenanado or the presidency to do in fighting illegal mining.
Yeah.
Yes, he did it. And it did
what was the outcome?
Yes, it did cost Nanado and the MPP.
Oh,
I'm sure. That was why in 2020 there were seats and lucida in the mining but we lost. and yen numbers saying what 2020 on not even contributed to our loss in 2024.
Who cares about your
yes,
loss?
Because we do not have the numbers, even passing 11. Why we do not have the numbers or delay, that it costs us a revenue gap. Investors now say more confidence okay from on the inflation as in about this money 2024. It's even another attempt or year other presidency to in fact say cost the MPP. But
who cares about that costing you MPP
in 2024?
When you're involved in illegality,
when you come, you will repeal LI 2462 and you are amending it. Mamitro, I mean, Namoko, and the my area home, as Yamaketi Jumon, Omoba Bemi, before the Besino, and flow into the river, and in 1 year. And in answer in February, Muna, and then you want why clear that was asking what is happening. It's a way to illegal mine. Answer that, our source as I don't go together. And the money it has been blocked. Then, it's for people can error source as I don't go into your sand. It's rather than see. No, flow back into the Ankobra because it has been blocked up there because it was salty. It is during your time. In a way, they were blocking. Apart from that, Galamsey one start to another do. Because President Mills or the helicopter or Galamsey side. President Mahama, I'm not in the first time I refer to.
But I say, Mamma, now if you mula bar, it be Mpensenpensenmu search another 1,000. Because you just star 281 hash, star 281 hash. Let's let option 4. Chogum bebresa. Last 1,000 sash which the yam bound. Ye kumula, abay see. Okay, but when you are aqua baby ever emra bedroom so. Memma a Richard Abem. Teach mesa abem na eja yaba baby. But me pacho. Kosunica. Medical customer the last 1,000 cities are medibema war. Because nature star 281 hash. Star 281 hash. Selecting option 4. Selecting option 4. But could be able to be a 5 Ghana. Chogum bebre sa na be winni. Bebre. That's enough say oh wrap up. Akonta mine. But 1 minute now.
I will see you any impression but created the legal mine start one another na bread no onye no kwa. Is me can me chere Rosa Mills na brodo more year or the helicopter choir for illegal man inside. President Mahama na brodo more that to the extent there or refer to Chibi as Galamsey headquarters. 2013, Emra President Mahama or Tobam Woyin appointed regional ministers. No problem with appointing regional minister for Northern region. Into a reach up for a craving someone support Central Regional Minister. 2013, Galamsey what they say. More reporter or the media guys you could confirm man then MC 2013 or catching the sika sika or why do Chinese woman or channel drum if this all these things point to the fact that illegal mine Galamsey or Shase watch no NDC 2024 watch there best solution to deal with illegal mining or what why within 1 month no more about 3 months or 4 months. What is why Jinsem Kram is ya, you could go never crack in fashion. Eyi near Kawansam. There, Momasa Moshen, Atosum, Muntum in the do, and see, Aden, why Jimusem. A press conference here, Minister or ye. Mark Camp, at the minister by press conference, America, NDC MP for a win, or for Labi, or why Canada. Okay. Now the consensus chairman, when is the Adom
okay, be a young fan minister
chairman, NDC chairman, by a smoke of Ronki operation. Also, I'm going to so in one. What have they ever condemned it?
Do we have the political will to fight Galamsey?
Well, President Mahama a political will. NDC also a political will. 1 month over here. So I believe that they had it. So okay. 1 million there. Political will now what kind of one thing to this Osani usually say. Now how come that Mwasi, whether you are a Ghanaian or a foreigner, what you are, or many the most and then mobile man assassin, and when the foreigners what you was when the port one year prisons in 1 year. In the time got on you, the Ghana in his own or way. How can a government a bay uncle who know that one Uban, in there our home bank? I will see, I be winning an increment, the village. I was sure as a forest more. who kwampo was a co-op. Son and you pay 10,000 which him. I want to say, quite about no yarohu, Sini. I'm a people wins. I'm a coffee boy.
Minister, how
I cheddar or that here. Or that dream. Crocodile chest no or share. Urban, to me, alleged law or engage legal man on or suggest to create a person. Oh, if you legal man, I can it's rather NDP can be no ocean. Meanwhile, NDP is one Modina. He has never held press conference to name them one by one and tell what they are doing to condemn it.
But I see.
Only the country I mean, tell
me.
The way unto me, I say a forest, I say a sassy, I say in you, because on or losing election year, no continent London. I catch a hoy from my papa or ball.
Never a lament to me. Most solution you sit here, and all that you are doing is lamentation.
Yeah, lamentation nonsense. Okay, but I'm appealing further, say they should be invited.
Okay.
We invite for
0302211701. 0302211702. 0302211703. Join in any komo ene anapay. Etoka ache. Frena 19 komo. Yes. Yeah. So obe mambo ma phone na ya ko nyesa.
Oh,
so omo call attend you to.
I think to make one on
one.
Now, my report omo nye kra o.
Wo.
Ma hu bi.
I am some propaganda. Obia page 66. It is no portion of the Michael Quay's report has been leaked. It's all the propaganda and the lies of the NDC. Only one copy. Only one copy. In the process, Michael Quay.
Why are they stopping Adwa from talking?
I don't know. I just have. Apart from one issue,
Debbie, why are you stopping?
I just suppose issue has nothing to do with Michael Quay's report or presented last Wednesday.
There's the whole regional secretary saying all this.
Yes. What has I just suppose interview here go through more lies?
I take the first caller. Hello, good morning. Nana, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. I was here.
Nana, patriot you.
I don't pay. I hope some shower circle.
Merci.
Press release and as a press conference, I hear to pay. Ghana Punya, but it's a 28. It's a Ghana handshake. Near course, what Ghana had no master say and Casamwa. And you want to milk. Master, I want to milk. And it's for the one Jim. I'm a Ghana, say, I think you say. 28. Yeah, for you to need another Mumbra. Mumbra demonstration between Ghana Hano.
Yeah.
A BC da. Yes, stop your move. And someone saw my mind.
But I say, Nana, good morning. Nana, good morning.
Good morning.
Me patrol free.
Me very akwatia.
Yetio.
Good morning.
Nana yetio.
Morning. Patrol me very akwatia.
Me sorry, who tio TV ne so MY me am find the power for. Oba men tio who TV ne so. Yakasa e phone so why? Mr. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me patrol din baby free.
Nana ne jeni a chofa ketia.
Yetio.
Galamse ne de. Ayedin pa wo. Ayedin.
That's it, I say. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay, Facheme. Yes.
You know, one simple question, Biso.
Question.
Yes.
General question.
Maybe through you to the general public. Sa environment that you took and say, who did it from 2017. Baby, for a while, a bad power, almost illegal mining.
No, I'm going to make a move on a cash and I catch. Even for like
ring a bell. Obisa say, baby, from 2017 to 2024, no. Baby, an illegal mining. And Mahama President Mama by baby for Galamse. Baby Saman for. Hello, good morning, Akwasi.
Good morning.
I was about to
No, you get to when you are.
But my microphone. I was here to you.
You have a call.
Boko.
Yeah, I'm not saying my family. You are doing TV. When everything. Now, Katamba can't forget them. See, no one is there. I said, Galamsin, the Ghana for the Diablo. Because we blame them, and this is say, we say, way back to the 2013, and in June, we started to say, me, I'm a Galamsi.
Now, Galamsi.
My Galamsi from Western region to Bolaga.
Okay.
It means the America. Which you say, a person of Galamsi now. Mummy, taxes now, blame taxes now, NDC, NDP, we need to pay whom millions of Galamsi. Yes, I be. Yes, you the local sources are a yarn, yes, you know, be a yeah, Giland and Atoma China for. That time of Baba, you know.
But I say, Justice, good morning. Ebenezer, good morning.
Good morning.
Ebe, patch off free.
Me free. Kumasi, Apemso. Apemso.
Yeti, Eben.
Make us a free Apemso.
Yo.
Kumasi. Now, some women say, hello?
Me too, Eben.
I must have been say, Senegama, you see your man, heard him. Say, I hear in Kirimano, Yashi, where she. Nipasia se forest. Oh, Nipasia se forest. No kwa council. Na obi nso sokon. Ni nsu aye. De nyansu mpo ni ada ya no. Oh, ntimo mi nyina emom. Ye fa Ghana ensi baby yi. De me wo me kan no.
Mate. Me da say. Hello, good morning. Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, boss. Apome.
Boko, ya free.
Boss. Oh, make us if you take credit. I mean, but me is more as an kukwa.
Okay.
Masa, I'm a proud hunter. Okay? Ever since I was starting the way
Yeah, fetch me. Mohammed, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho free.
Free Chivijin.
Mohammed, it's you.
Galansen and Sanamo Adom TV. Yeah, the Masene Jumapa Moye. Because if you want to take the manner of Galansi na Ekoso, Galansi we are na MPP Mreso, almost your fight it. Or my fight is but still na NDC for Ebe can sentinel on fight Galansi within 120 days. Beshin de Yehuni or Moye. Usha amainuma yewom the way na difficulties in near my ekoso uba kejedi asatu kejedi cocoa smugglers a ekoso eye biakuye ahano omo defense yosu ni adiade ediko omo hwe no nka because galanse no cocoa ni gold no na boa yen wo Ghana hanom si. But now so you cash in fact.
But I say,
good morning.
Okay. But I say, George, good morning.
Sorry, dear, what some and feeling important on the to get to a almost stop Galamsi. It's a sorry, I will cook or Koyama or buy. Yet this is a year say, Yen is the Mayan Quasas in the Mayan saying through, yet the message you could, and no one one, you can see you to a fear, Yen, the Bakwasa bit Jay or Mino. I won't can you be the one was some and feeling important. It is yeah, you won't see a bit to form a pebwa. Then you see a cousin you to the crown, who could a copa, Manatian Baza, sorry, 24 so. It's young places, a papa won't come, and that's all my Ghana, dear. The body is up to see a market.
But I say, my family last caller. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, boss.
If I should be free.
Yeah, because if you second D.
Okay.
Boss, share. Them illegal mining no kukodinya Western region I na yellow brepa. My brother, me go see the quite me nim never do one pipe me did see one. See, mo run the ma. Not knowing the me question and then what's the anno or no more or the vortic no the nazi ban. I believe you to come each tax You will see the Western region. No, they are tall. Pure water, you did, but you are pipe war. Is it problem? No, what did I do? Now, I've been back or try there over fight. But someone came and a forest reserve. For Fantin America, no. What could it be a reserve? I'll say that one cross, one call. But I will be Sembra, then Kofun Kono Galamsey. I said I won't get at Papa my Western region for. And then people won't put over Gatuno. Would you accept it? And then this, we didn't hear any revocation, any invocation of forest reserve. It is Nanado no only you there said the forest reserve. It to me baby easy them 2 minutes it is for people too wrong. I want no I Western region for all your problem. It means
but I say watch me for phobia. Patch my live draw no na check my last 1,000 cities star 281 hash. Star 281 hash select option 4 na etwagum sika dibi nefako 5432 okay fabos yanko pa 0530930 star 0530930 star
yeah stands for a number
what is it the budget entrance with me the parliament edi ekomo I will see a
question you.
So a general question. What me say? Who say through me to the public?
Yeah, ebia one ye bi.
According to error source as a redonko, I say NDC power win. We want kind of a new place or kind tire or a pristine forest. Into
no, say mine or
no. It's a new place for go round. It's a new place for if they were minor, why would they choose me up in answer?
Who can say there's the CEO of Mineral Commission?
Yeah.
Every boy a man, you Ghana for say mining or police station. Nechi, our Chebi. Yeah.
Minerals Commission see you.
What because you police?
Check. What about this?
Because police station. They be on over here, no.
I call because me. Oze in support her
they be no support her buying. Yeah, so
on to illegal mining. Yeah. That's exactly what we are doing. The Mamukan opposition. The only solutions to the problem. You're supporting.
I will say, you 3 months in power. Less than 120 days. You papa you.
Obedi 3 sumutu one kind of 1 month.
They be train you papa you.
Put gun to your head.
Yeah, but see what they are doing.
Oh, yeah,
Akonta here. First, everyone here. Say everyone here.
They be over one by event.
Since I
not do one same.
Mama me winner for Sika entry. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pato saka 1,000 cities.
Paper time.
Oh, nice one. Now you say.
Paper time me 35 cities.
And no anu wafa. What do you dey?
Paper show. Oh, me Jumantino.
Okay.
And them to no mantin debate.
Oh, nice one. Mo cosine twa ochina nso oda afo ebetimi eso twa mo dem nyina stand kopon ka obia ho.
Kwesi. As far me can say.
Me time.
Even behind the police station.
We need to akwesi insia and as I say ochina da afo e say dey hia on bedwem cosine hwe Adom TV makra.